Hi there! Welcome! Let's walk through how to use our Canva templates effectively and ensure your artwork is print ready. I'll also share some important tips about Canva along the way. Before we dive in, here are a few things you need to know. Canva Pro Plan required. Our templates require a paid Pro Canva plan. If you're not on a Pro plan, you won't be able to access the features you'll need. High-resolution artwork. Your design elements must be high resolution to accommodate large format printing and scaling. If you're unsure about this, you might want to avoid using our Canva templates. Meeting artwork guidelines. Make sure your design meets our artwork requirements and guidelines. If it doesn't, extra time and costs may be needed to adjust or recreate your artwork. Plan accordingly to save time and hassle. Using our Canva templates. Let's get started with the step-by-step instructions. Open the template. Click the Use Template for the New Design button to begin. Create your design. Add new layers to customize the template with your own design, covering up the placeholder information and template content. Export your design. Once your design is complete, follow these steps to export it. Click the Share button in the upper right corner of Canva. Select Download from the drop-down menu. Choose the file type as PNG. Adjust the size to 3 or higher for the best print quality. Finally, click Download. Upload to MODdisplays. Take the downloaded file and upload it directly to MODdisplays. And that's it. By following these steps, you'll have a professional, print-ready design that meets our standards. If you have any questions or need help, feel free to reach out. Happy designing!